Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. In the January 2026 release of the standard version of Photoshop, we're no longer limited to typing prompts into the contextual taskbar to add or replace images. Now we could use images themselves to show Photoshop exactly what we want. For example, I want to place a tin toy robot on the table. In previous versions, I'd have to type in a description in the prompt, which I'll be opening shortly, and hope it'll give me the result I want. Now, instead, I could use the exact robot as a reference image. First, if the contextual taskbar isn't open, right-click or secondary click anywhere on the canvas to open the flyout list and click it. To add an object into the photo, select the lasso tool and draw a loose selection over the area where you'd like the object to appear. Click Generative Fill, and instead of typing a description into the prompt field, click this icon to open the list of AI models. Choose Firefly Fill and expand. Click the reference image icon to open this panel. Click Choose Image. Navigate to the location of your reference image and click Open. You can reference either the entire image or just the object itself. I'll choose Object. For this example, I'll check Place into the selected area. In a moment, I'll show you how to swap a selected area with a new image instead. Click Generate. It takes about 10 seconds to process in the cloud, so I'll speed this up. Notice how Photoshop automatically harmonizes the robot's lighting, color cast, highlights, and shadows with its environment. As always with Generative Fill, we get 3 variations to choose from. And if we'd like to see additional variations, just click Generate again to produce 3 more. Next, we'll replace the shirt with this one. To do that, we'll first select the shirt in this photo. There are many ways to make selections. However, for this example, I'll use the Object Selection tool and click Select People. I'll click the model's face inside the circle. Since entire person is active, the whole subject is covered with a pink overlay. I'll click Upper Close, which limits the overlay to just the shirt. Then I'll click Apply to convert the overlay into a selection. Now click Generative Fill, then the reference image icon. Click Choose Image, navigate to the replacement image, and click Open. It appears in the reference preview window. I'll keep Object selected, and this time I'll choose Swap the selected area to replace the contents of the selection using the reference image as the source. Click Generate. As before, we can choose from 3 variations, or click Generate to see more. That's all there is to it. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching, and remember, be safe and be kind. See you next time.